Bahubali director S.S. Rajamouli on July 29 tweeted that he and his family members have been tested positive for COVID-19. During the period of January-March 2020, SpiceJet reported its highest quarterly loss of Rs 807 crore against profit of Rs 56 crore in the same span during the last year. Another COVID-19 medicine has hit the market. Drug firm Hetero has launched Feverer, which can be used in the treatment of patients with mild to moderate COVID-19. Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray will visit Pune on July 30 and take a review of the district's COVID-19 response. TikTok's parent company, ByteDance, has been receiving proposals from its various investors to relinquish control of the app. Business Advisory Committee of Maharashtra Legislature has decided to reschedule the monsoon session on September 7th. West Bengal Pradesh Congress Committee President Soman Mitra passed away on July 30 at City Hospital due to cardiac arrest. Limiting the annual pilgrimage of Hajj started from July 29 in Mecca. Many Indian Muslims have left disappointed. Russia is planning to approve world's first COVID-19 vaccine by August 10 for public use with frontline healthcare workers as priority. BJP MP Subramaniam Swamy claims that late actor Sushant Singh Rajput did not commit suicide but was murdered.
Thank you for listening to Briefly News. Have a wonderful evening.